Okay, I want to really quickly give you a rundown of your two options. I have two options at this point for getting started with Apex. The first option is really just requesting an Apex workspace out on apex.oracle.com. If you go to apex.oracle.com, you can click on this Get Started, click on Free Workspace, and go through that process. And I actually take you through the process here in Lecture 4 in this Requesting an Apex Workspace lecture. Now, the second option, if you want, is a Windows option, is an option for installing Oracle Express Edition. Both of these options are free, by the way. Express Edition is a free version of Oracle, and then on top of that, we install Apex 5. These are two good options. If you're not sure which one to do, I definitely recommend requesting workspace, getting started quickly, and then moving on to Apex 5. If you are interested in installing locally and doing some offline development, web application development with Apex, then this is the option to go for if you're running on Windows.